Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is passage narration. Dear learners, look here, and this is our lecture number 9 on our half yearly examination 2021. I am telling you the passage topic. It is passage narration. Dear students, in our previous two classes you have learned the basic rules of passage narration. Okay, today inshallah we shall learn how to do passage narration or change the narrative style. In these connections, dear students, I want to get your maximum attention. So look at this, change the narrative style of the following text. So dear students, I hope that you can see it properly. So look, there is a passage about or text. So whenever you will do the passage narration, at first you will read the whole text. And after reading the whole text, it will be very much easier for you to understand the person. And in passage narration, to select to understand the person is very much important. So I am doing the same thing. So look here, returning home, my father said to me, quotation mark, your progress is very slow, full stop. You are always seen with a group of friends, full stop. You were idling away time with them, full stop. Cannot you be more serious? Questions mark. Remember, comma, if you failed in the coming examination, I will stop paying your tuition fees. Quotation mark close. Next. Again quotation mark beginning. Sorry, I will mend myself, said I. So dear learners, I hope that you have understood the person. Here I and my father. The conversation is going on between I and my father. So I am going to start. So look here, returning home, my father said to me, we're writing. Answer. Returning home, my father, it is written said to me. You can write also, I can write also say said to me or told to me, no problem. Said to me, but whenever we will write it is told, that there will be no to. Returning home, my father said to me that your progress, that means my progress, that my progress is very low. It will turn into past tense. Was very low. Was very low. So look, I am telling you again. Returning home, my father said to me that my progress was very low or slow. It is written slow. I am writing it again. Okay. My progress was very slow. Next. You are always seen with a group of friends. So here we will write, he added that. He added that you are always seen. That means I was always seen with a group of friends. With a group of friends. Done. He added that I was always seen with a group of friends. Next, you were idling away time with them. Here we will write here. He further said that you are idling. That means I was idling. IDLING, idling or wasting, was idling away time time with them. With them. Next. Can't you be more serious? So look at, this is a question mark. Can't you be more serious? He asked me if I could not, so look here, it is written cannot, it will turn into could not, I be more serious, if I could not be more serious. He asked me if I could not be more serious. Cannot you be more serious? Question mark. Okay, here question mark. Remember, if you failed in the coming examination, I will stop paying your tuition fees. He said to me, or he told me, to remember. Remember that. He said to me to remember that if I failed in the, so look, if I failed, past tense, failed in the coming exam or examination, in the coming examination, so look here, I will stop paying your tuition fee. He said to me to remember that if I failed in the coming examination, he will turn into would, he would stop paying my tuition fees, full stop. Sorry, I will mend myself, said I. I replied, REPLIED. I replied that I was sorry. Okay. I replied that I was sorry. I will mend myself. Here we will write, I assured him that, or I told him that, assured, assured him that, I think you can see it properly. I assured him that I would mend myself. I assured him that I would mend myself. Dear learners, I am telling you again the answer. So look here. Returning home, my father said to me, your progress is very slow. Returning home, my father said to me that my progress was very slow. Done. Next. You are always seen with a group of students, with a group of friends. So look, he added that I was always seen with a group of friends. You are idling away time with them. He further said, or he also said that I was idling away time with them. Next, can't you be more serious? Questions mark. He asked me if I could not. So look here, it is written if, same thing. You represents I, that means can it be past. Okay, if I could not be more serious. Next. Remember, if you failed in the coming examination, I will stop paying your tuition fees. He said to me to remember that if I failed in the coming examination, he would stop paying my tuition fees. Sorry, I will mend myself, said I. Okay, I replied that I was sorry. I assured him that I would mend myself. Okay, this is the ending of our passage narration or narrative style. Dear learners, I hope that you have understood this passage narration or narrative style. Please keep practicing at home. Whenever you will practice a lot, you will understand it easily. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.